ดีค่ะแพรววณิชไทยแลนด์แบงคอกไทยแลนด์
Only 3 left, and one of them goes to Miss Thailand.
A lot of support in the building for Miss Thailand. Hong Kong and Thailand, okay?
Miss Thailand!
Wow, Miss Thailand, a lot of fans here. 2 spots remaining. The 11th contestant to remain in the competition. So here's where things get interesting because, ladies, we've got good news.
Thailand's 20 seconds starts now.
I truly believe that I can be the one who inspire all the girls or anyone in the world who have a dream to follow their dream. If I can do it, you can do it too. Don't give up. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Thailand. Take your spot in the top 5. Miss Thailand!
That is very impressive. Vietnam, Indonesia, and now Thailand. Only 2 ladies can keep their dreams and hopes alive of lifting the crown this evening. Martin, you're doing a fantastic job.
Thank you very much.
Great assistant. He's for offer. If you need an assistant in Thailand, thank you very much. Let's have a look at your question. Question for Miss Thailand. Is family still relevant in the modern world?
Excuse me, can I ask for translator, please?
Can we have any translator around? Hi,
Okay.
come and join us on stage.
Yes, we've got a translator. We're here. Miss Supranational goes out worldwide. We want to make sure everyone's message is conveyed to the utmost that they want it to be. So thank you very, very much. So the question, please come beside me. Is family still relevant in the modern world?
ครอบครัวเนี่ยยังมีความสำคัญและมีความจำเป็นในโลกยุคปัจจุบันไหมครับ
เพราะยังมั่นใจนะคะว่าบุคคลที่จะเติบโตขึ้นมาดีได้มันจะต้องเริ่มมาจากการมีรากฐานของการสร้างครอบครัวที่ดีค่ะแต่แน่นอนค่ะว่าปัจจุบันนี้มีหลายครอบครัวนะคะที่เขาไม่สามารถที่จะเลี้ยงดูลูกให้เติบโตขึ้นมาได้เพราะฉะนั้นตัวเด็กเองค่ะยังคงเป็นคนที่ต้องเรียนรู้ทักษะการอยู่ในสังคมให้ได้ด้วยตัวเองขอบคุณค่ะ
You've got an important job now.
Yeah. So she believed that the family is still the very, very important foundation in every single person that growing up to be a great person for the world. But unfortunately, not everyone are born with a great family. And it is our duty, it is everyone's duty to make the world a better place, to be the family for everyone.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
So I'm here with the crown of Miss Supranational 2022 goes to Let's do it one more time.
Martin,
The crown.
It can only be Miss South Africa or Miss Thailand.
And there can be only one winner.
Unfortunately.
The crown of Miss Supranational 2022 goes to
Miss South Africa!
We have a new queen!
Miss South Africa is the new Miss Supranational winner. Wow.
Congratulations, Miss South Africa! What a wonderful moment! Miss Thailand's second. First runner-up. Oh, I'm so emotional now.
It's been an emotional evening.
It was. It truly
We
was.
told you it'd be a night full of excitement, emotions. And there she has her tiara, Miss Thailand, the first runner-up of Miss Supranational 2022.
And now, first walk of our. We wish you a truly remarkable year as the new Miss Supranational 2022.
We look forward to seeing all the work that you'll do over the next 12 months with Miss Supranational.
All the girls are joining on stage now to congratulate our queen, Miss South Africa, Miss Supranational 2022.
Wow, what a moment. We're all going to start crying in a moment here.
Me too.